Today I have 8 Halloween DIYs. I hope that you get inspired and let's get crafting. DIY number 1, I have these transferable stickers from Dollar Tree. This little wooden truck, it had a Christmas tree, but we're not going to be using that for this DIY. I have this bull sign, also from Dollar Tree, and this little wooden plaque from Michael's. I have acrylic paint in white and a chalk paint in black. I might use these two colors, not too sure. And I am going to give it 2 coats of this white acrylic paint. And putting that to a side so it can dry. I'll start using these Jenga block or tumbling blocks. I'm going to paint those in black. Once everything is completely dry, I am going to start hot gluing the tumbling blocks around this frame. Now that the frame is completely covered with the Jenga blocks, I am going to paint the border of the wooden plaque. So like that, you won't be able to see that wooden color. I forgot to mention that I am using the back side of that sign, as you can see here. And I have to mention that I thought I was going to use this cream color, but after all, I really didn't like it, so this is what I did. I wind up using black, gray, and silver. And now I'm painting and I'm trying to make it look like it has rims. Did I say painting? I meant to say I'm drawing the rims on the tire. And now to the transferable stickers, I'm going to be using several of these to put on the truck. I'll be cutting out that trick or treat. I'm going to lay it on top of the truck to see how it looks. In the meantime, this bull sign, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to paint it with that black chalk paint, only to allow it to dry while I go back to the truck and continue to put those stickers on the truck. Now that it is completely dry, I will start to put this beautiful picture frame together. So now the stickers are all in. I am going to go back to the frame and I am going to start putting the truck, the boot sign on it, but I want it to look like 3D. So I'm going to use these little wooden blocks from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint them in black and I am going to put them back here just like you see here, and then I'll just hot glue it together. I also have some skeleton heads that I purchased at Dollar Tree that I forgot to show you, but later on in the video you will see that I did glue it in the back of the truck. Also, as you can see here, my little girl is just watching everything that I am doing. She's enjoying these DIYs. I hope you are too. I have these wooden beads that are already painted from a prior project that I started to do. I'm going to use some of this jute twine, and that will be how I hang my picture frame. And continue to watch so you could enjoy the final look. Okay, now so this is the way it's looking so far. I am loving it, and let's go ahead and glue the wooden beads back here. And I hope you enjoy this DIY. I am so loving it. This is the final look. As you can tell, there go the skeleton heads, and I added a little bit of light behind the 3D car. So this is the way it looks. I hope you enjoy it just like I am. DIY number 2. All these frames that you see here, someone gave them to me. I took this little spider and I just went on and I printed the spider, and I'm going to put it behind the picture frame. This is a very simple DIY, but I thought it was so cute, nice and simple, and you could reuse it for another project later on. This is the final look. DIY number 3. I also have this frame and the boot sign. I am going to paint the boot sign in black. I also have this piece of paper here that is cream color. I'm going to cut a little piece of it. And this is what's going inside the frame. Moving along quickly, I already put the cream color paper inside the frame, and the boot sign is already dry. Using the same wooden blocks that I've been using through this video, I am going to put a little bit of hot glue, glue it on the bull sign in the back of it, and then the bull sign, I'm also going to do the same thing, just hot glue and put it on top of the frame, and it's going to look 3D. Comment and let me know what you think about these 3D pictures that I am creating for you guys. I hope that you are enjoying it. And this is the final look. DIY number 4. Look how quick. I'm not gonna bore you. I cut a piece and I put it in the frame, and voila. That was magic, wasn't it? Yes, and these are the 3 frames with the 3 little pictures. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love if you subscribe so you could be part of my channel. And now let's continue with DIY number 5. I have these little cats, 8 in a package from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint this cat in black, of course, and the frame also from Dollar Tree that I'm also gonna be painting in black. And this piece of cardboard paper that I've got from Michael's, I am going to trace the back of this frame, and I'm gonna cut this paper to size, and that's going to be my background to this picture frame that I'm going to be creating for you guys. As you can see here, the cats are already dry, the picture frames also, and moving along, I am going to put it together. And I bought this at Dollar Tree, so I'll be using the tree that you see there. What I did is I cut it with some scissors because this is like cardboard paper, and that's the one that I'm going to be using for this frame. So as you can tell, I didn't want to bore you, so I went on and I put both of the picture frames together, nothing to it. The cat is 3D and the tree is inside the picture frame. And here is DIY number 6, all put together. And now here, this is the way it looks. I think this came out so beautiful. And moving along to DIY number 7 and 8. I have these 2 beautiful bottles that I'm going to be painting in white with this Rust-Oleum white paint. I also printed this ghost face, and now that the bottles are completely dry, I'm going to be cutting the eyes, the mouth, and the nose, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue it since this paper is self-adhesive. And this is the way it's looking so far. I am loving this bottle. And let's work on the second bottle. I'm going to cut the eyes from this one and the mouth from the other one. And I'm going to make a lady ghost, just like you see here. And I also have this black marker that I'm going to put some eyelashes so you can really tell that it's a pretty ghost. And I have this leather ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I put a piece on both of the bottles on top, just like you see. And here it is all put together. Thank you again for sticking by until the end of the video. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Also comment and let me know which one was your favorite, and share with your families and friends so like that they can enjoy these videos. I will see you in my next video. Also make sure that you stay safe. Adios.